Jesus chimes for Bitcoin Cash, Mother of God. We must all pay respect. It is not every day. It is not every year. You get moves like this in 24 hours or less. And currently, Bitcoin Cash up 43.7%. And it's not the only one that's going crazy. Shiba's up 34%, HOT's up 27%, EOS up 14%, many assets up about 10%. They got Bad Boys 4. They're filming right now. They're shooting blanks on the road, like right behind my building. Seeing Will Smith and the other dude like choreograph is like too much going on. My heart is very full right now. Okay, with the tendies, the movies, the coffee, everything, dudes. It's unreal. So it was like, there must be a Saturday stream. It is decreed by powers higher than thee. Okay. Unreal, man. I mean, I thought the target was like $500, right? I mean, almost there. $500, because like historically speaking, that's kind of where you go. You know, whatever, 484 to 500. You see it straight up and down and up and down and up and down. All right, fine. You break 3 away. Boom. Bye. See ya. Thank you so much, Chris Scott, for the 20. I'm not even sure if it popped up. He just said, let's get this money, people. Time is money. Yeah, Saturday. Saturday is the time to make money, right? Almost never. Very, very anomalous weekend we are experiencing right now. That was a long bathroom break. Yeah, dude. I just got out of the bathroom. I'm back. Sorry, it's been a while, but dude, how crazy was that? We were talking about reality, and then just like I go to the bathroom and then they shut my stream off. It was my internet clipped out. So it wasn't even just like YouTube. It was like even crazy. It was like Klaus Schwab calling up my internet service provider. Dude, that was nuts. That never has there any been controversy that weird. You know, it's like I stream for 2 hours and then go to the bathroom and dude, it's gone. So what happened? I told you, Klaus Schwab, the powers that be, the Bilderbergs, the one percenters, I was speaking too much. They're using their AI algorithms to monitor people on YouTube now. And they heard me and they shut me down. Anyway, not really presentable for stream. Sorry, I need to shave and I need a haircut and need to shower. But again, man, who cares? It's Saturday. I don't have to be formal or presentable. Who cares about me? It's about the charts. Bitcoin's flat, whatever. Just making its highest lows, I guess, just consolidating after hitting a resistance a couple times. You know, good luck, dude. You're at the casino on Bitcoin trying to make a call for a short-term move. Like, is it going up next or down? You don't know. No chance of knowing. And unfortunately, now a lot of these coins that you had your chance. I can only go on live stream and scream at you at the top of my lungs about what these assets are doing structurally and what they're setting up to do, where the probability is higher that they would do it. And now they're doing it, and there's nothing you can do about it now. They're gone. So we look at Shiba. My God, it's ridiculous. There's no resistance now until 2682, which is like, worthless, but still insane. I mean, you just look left, you can understand why. It's just, that's overhead resistance. I mean, going with candle closes, so a bunch of different ones. Is that really? I don't have it. Yeah, candle close. Oh yeah, so right there. It's kind of like a zone too, I guess. Like that. That's on deck. 27262863 on the Shiba. Did we talk about if it hit 3,400? No, that was Doge. If Doge hit 34 cents, I can't remember. Talking about buying a collective community Shiba Inu dog. Above that, I mean, you have to go one at a time. I mean, 32, 36, 39. If you ever break 39, I think that's when, oh my God, we're going to 9,000, dude. But for now, this is good enough. Look at the volume. Highest volume seen on Shiba since the bubble, November 2021, I can imagine. Okay, hot, really hot. Up 26% roughly, was up even more, over 30%. Just ran to what would be maybe considered a inflection point, you know? Just a peak from 2021, a valley from 2021 as well. That's it, right? That's just kind of where above that though, good God, hot could be like run into 6.1 tenths of 1 penny. I mean, magic above that, but that's pretty cool. It wasn't the greatest of all of them, right? It wasn't like, oh my God, we got a beautiful M shape, like harmonic reversing. It was like a deep crab, I guess. It did reverse at a key level for sure.
I'm having a ball.
Chris Scott, oh man, 40 on the day. Thank you, dude.
Can we take a look at Radium on Binance US? I'm looking at it as a breakout and backtest of falling wedge with 0.236 target $4. Been watching since 2018. Thanks for everything.
Dang, Matt W. Appreciate that. We got all kinds of Matts in here. But Matt W, certainly we will take a gander at that. I don't know, what was it called? Radium? Yeah, sure. It's probably okay. May have be too late. Like all these are now too late, right? EOS is up 15%. It's at its highs, really. Holy crap. Dude, I mean, there was an M shape of sorts. It reversed to the 1414. A higher low got put in. And then once it broke 85 cents, there's nothing there. Like there's really nothing on EOS till like 122. So I don't know, maybe, yeah, one time December 2022. Yeah, you might be up against something right now. But the way I used to have it was like a range, a big straight up, down, or sorry, down, up, down, up, down. So aggressive target is going to be A and C, right? The top of the harmonic. 106 though is like one reversal, two. That's kind of it. It's not really like a strong one. Just going, dude. They're just, yeah, the momentum shifted. You got your first higher low and you confirmed the higher low, like 1 and then 2 here locally. Yeah, someone will be like inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, it was kind of a whacked out Quasimodo looking A. But yeah, momentum shifted on even this one, like all of them, dude. BAT up almost 10%. It was up 20%, let's say, earlier when it got to 36 cents. This is kind of pulling like a Shiba, what it's doing, like it's trying to break and then they're pulling it back and maybe it runs tomorrow. But if they keep it above this 29 to 31 cent level long enough, you think 44 to 47 cents is crazy. I mean, it's not crazy. It's actually like perfect, you know, assets going down at their key levels and then they eventually run up to the next levels. It's like straight up and down. Wow. Reef broke out a couple days ago. This was incredible looking. Like it was there, man. It was there and it ran up and hit, what was it? It was this little May of 2022 low. I don't know how to plot it. And that was hit and you pulled back. So it was up probably 13, 14% at its highs. Unreal, man. What a pump we got going on a freaking Saturday. You want to see something awesome? An old trade setup that was amazing. It's like back to being kings. Like probably, you understand, like in reality, what is kind of going on Unibot. It's a joke. I know. I don't care. I'm talking about the technicals. It was your highest low. Where traders settled up on February 23rd, 47.65. You know where traders settled up on the low before it? December 2023, 44.63. That is a very technical higher low, slightly higher low, and it's all happening at the inflection point. They're finning it once and then twice. It's like Adam and Eve double bottoming, and now you're running up 11%. You're working on your highest daily candle close since February 4th, and the target 77 to 100 and then 150. Easy targets. Grail. I thought Holy Grail was Unibot. Posted November 2nd, 2023. It was. Irate, thank you for the 15. Hit that like button on the contributions. These people are contributing to a 100% crowdsourced stream. So if they don't do it, no one will. No sponsorship to save me. Can't be selling bottled water or crypto scams to y'all. Or whatever. Meal plans or beard shampoo. Sorry, dude, not doing that. Don't do that. Chose to not go that route. So it's on y'all. Okay, Unibot. Kings. A lot of upside. A lot of crazy upside. I'm just telling you. What is it? 77 right now. All right, you got 30 to 64 to 147 percent upside on this. There it is. Staring in the face. Bye-bye. ETC. Okay. They did it, man. They
$20 from Chris.
We Leroy Jenkins this thing.
Said it. I'm here.
There he is. Dude, that's 60, man. 60, Chris Scott on the day. Thank you, man. Really appreciate that. They are shooting blanks right now on the Bad Boys 4 set. Shooting blanks. Will Smith and the other dude. What's the other dude's name? You at least 30. Saying it to 18-year-old kid, 17-year-old kid. I've only seen like the first one or the second one. I can't remember, dude. They have like, what's it, Fast and the Furious 84 now? I mean, they're coming out with all these movies. Men in Black 27. Don't care. Cash grabs. Martin Lawrence. Yeah, it's Martin Lawrence shooting blanks out there. They have, apparently they have Alec Baldwin on the set for gun shooting speciality. RIP. So Leroy Jenkins, they are in Upper Blackrock Spire. They are currently fighting the whelps, the mini whelps, and they are headed for their chicken. Their chicken would be at $40. At least I got chicken at $40. Fantastic, man. Working on the highest daily candle close in a very long time. Highest daily candle close incoming since September 2022. We're doing it, man. About time. If you want to see it, I guess we can. Where would we see it? It would be, has it been achieved officially? It has, I think. Yes, it has. Okay, so the trade setup posted for Ethereum Classic. It was very, very simple, okay? One of the most simple trades you could dream of. You just think about an old key inflection point we know so well, just unlimited data there. It doesn't really show up on the publication. It was a, what was it? There was a freaking 33, let's just say there was a
32.33 repeating, of course.
Retrace that manifested into a bullish back test of the level that had been resistance a million times over the years, flipped to support, and they started rallying off and say, you know what? It could be better probably, but this is how we're going to play it. And so there you go. Target 1 achieved today. Yes, today. Jesus chimes in the chat. We're not done though. 40, 45, 60, 80, all possible targets on the way up. Right, a trade setup is the chapter in the book, right? The bullish trade setup is the bullish chapter in the bullish book. The bullish book could continue even after the trade setup concludes. Not guaranteed though. Okay, FTM killing it. Wonderful stuff, man. At the highs of the day. It's a Saturday. It's beautiful. It's the dragon. Into the momentum shift. Into the buyers recapturing a key level, then reconfirming it as support, engulfing, and it's going. And now you've hit the dragon tail. I mean, the dragon tail, like if you were trading a bullish dragon, targets being hit. Like your good targets. 886s. You're at the 886 right now. Breaking 52.9 cents. This is a level. This is not a joke. Yeah, candle high close from March 2021. You can see it correlate very well in March 2023, April 2023, and just recently, December 2023. Now they're breaking it in 2024, or attempting to try again. And this could be a continuation where you might be eyeballing 65 cents eventually if it's going to run to the higher highs. Because you just put in a higher low. Beautiful, man. Litecoin. We're looking for 100, right? Why? Because 886 from the, it's like an X, A, B, C, D. You're on the C to D wave now. C to D wave. It's like the X to A wave. Large wave, 100 to 105. What was it officially? Well, 786 is 102, and then 886 is 108. But I'm just thinking about like these levels here. It's like, all right, the 786 might make plenty of sense because there's been big reversals there. So you're going to make it. You kind of like, that's what you do when you use Fibonacci, especially in this context. You're like, okay, what makes the most sense? What's the strongest potential reversal areas? Well, when you have Fibonacci, you understand the 786, 886, but then you look at history, like what's happened at these levels. And a lot of times that helps you check your Fibonacci math, where you see inflection at these Fibonacci points. Anyway, so the 786 I think would be good. Who knows though? This could be like, all right, you put in a higher low and it's like, here's your low, here's the major 98% retrace, 95% retrace. Then they put in the M shape here. And then this is like, it's time to run to like 140, 180, like for the, you know, pull a Bitcoin. When I'm talking about where Bitcoin made from its all-time high to its lowest low after that all-time high, it has already achieved an 88% retrace. You know where Litecoin, if Litecoin was Bitcoin, do you know what price Litecoin would be at right now? Litecoin would literally be at $371 if it performed identically to Bitcoin. 371. It hasn't even tested a 23% retrace yet. That's obscene. So you think about like alt season, this could take a long time, but if we're talking common retrace targets, 183 to 271. It sounds crazy now, but you're talking about a bubble that took, what, 2 years to play out, pump dump, and then another year for the M shape to develop, that it's bottoming. They're holding key levels now. You run up, of course, 110, 109, that's always going to be a level. It was the level when in February it was regarded. It goes back to 2018. But if they break that, you're going to finally see the 236. You're going to see 140. If they ever break 140, common retraces. You got to look at like all these markets, all these charts, Fibonacci wise. Compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin 886 up there. Litecoin 618. Sol 50%. Most altcoins not even making 236s yet. That's great. That means there's opportunity for more upside on the alts. Uniswap up 8+%. Win Rolex. Zupa win Rolex. Third target. Testing that third target. Well, I guess $11.93, $12 was the third target, but up against 13, 14. This is why it was like a third target of a setup that was posted at $4. A triples in value or whatever, quadruples in value. So, and then you run it. This is like, oh, this is exactly where there might be a pullback. But if not, Rolex soon, the common retrace zone, like we did on Bitcoin and Ethereum and Sol, and we just did on Litecoin, Uniswap. From the high to the low, between $19.26 and $29, common retraces. You could hit a 618 and still make a lower high than you saw in August 2021. These are common. This is normal. This is eventually, most likely, where Uniswap will end up before it has a major reversal.
Bit off
major
reversal.
reversal.
Chance at 0.019 near 200 Ma.
So G-Dog, Sweat, I am Scott out with that by thank you, dude.
Technology.
Okay. Yeah, the trade setup's incredible. It's like an NFT. It's legendary, but it's epic now. It would become legendary when the golden zone gets achieved, at least 1920. Only one more resistance. You break the resistance you're testing now officially. Oh, and what happened today? Literally today on Uniswap, testing the 23% retrace for the first time. Not like when the third target was set in February 23rd. Nope. But today, officially. So short-term Jesus chimes for your most shallow Fibonacci retrace being hit. Type in the chat for Uniswap. No, Zuba said he's literally gifting a Rolex at like 20 bucks. What was it? What was the number he said? Chat, some of y'all remember. He was in here like a few days ago. Dash, you were warned. You were warned. You were warned. There's nothing I can do. All I can do is show you the framework. And now it's going. Working on its highest daily candle close since December 28th. Highest close 2024 in 4 hours, 33 minutes. I think in 38, 39, if the buyers are ever able to recapture that $39 level. Good God, $56 fast. Which I think there's not like, again, we talk about retraces and all this stuff. Like, look, just think about from this high, not even the all-time high, from that high to low, you're just now hitting the 236 again. Common retraces between $43 and $56. Common retraces. That'd be like layering out of a trade, you know, or a retrace just from the February high to low. I mean, there's beautiful upside potential on this asset, even with it already being up so much from when it was identified as a type 2 return, like in mid-February. There's plenty of evidence on that. If you're a Patreon, in the Patreon, you get pinged about all this stuff. Like, you are pinged to ad nauseum on these setups, on these assets that are developing the framework for high probability outcome for upside. Engine, another one. This was the dragon, and the dragon tail is it had all the makings of an Ancalagon the Black verbatim, and it had like, what was it, 12-hour bullish divergence down here too. It's going, man. Engine breaking out, working on its highest daily candle close since February of last year. So it is a 52-week high is just about, and 55 cents, 62 cents, 73 cents. It's the same type of situation I'm talking about. From all, like, it's not even at 23% retraces yet. Incredible. But Wyckoff, 60-minute reaccumulation, bro. Where's Matthew D? File up 11%, going for the third target of the trade setup, posted February 8th, less than a month ago. Currently trading at its highest price since February of 2023. So clearly 52-week highs, but you're working on the highest daily candle close since August 2022. And here's the thing, like, that's great. Like, you're going to hit these aggressive targets for a swing trader. But again, it's just, this is how the book starts. These patterns are book creating, I guess, if you talk about the analogy, where, like, yes, we have chapter 1. Chapter 1 concludes soon at 9:50. Ah, perfect, by the book. But then a pullback happens, and the only thing that occurs is the highest low of the entire reversal. And then the buyers reassume control and run it again, and then they break $10, and then huge 30% plus markup, however much, what is it, above that level? So, I'm sorry, 70% markup, and then 100% markup. But the trade completed. Yeah, well, again, it's the chapter. A new chapter begins. So if the buyers are ever able to break this like $10 level, there's 70% upside on Fcoin, and it makes too much sense if you just Fibonacci like we would on Bitcoin. It hasn't even come close to a 23% retrace yet. It's stupid. Yeah, $20 wouldn't be weird at all. I mean, in reality, dude, of like $25, $40 seems reasonable in, you know, the next quarter, next 3 months. Yeah, I mean, if they're just gonna Fibonacci retrace it like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Sol. Making you want to buy everything, dude. It's so frothy today. You're gonna get a big pullback from a day like this, but the pullback will be like a higher low. They'll pivot it and they'll run it again later.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Thank you so much for the other ones. Shouldn't you be on the set of Bad Boys, dude? You're a bad boy, right, man? Chainlink broke $20, and the target's $27, or maybe 28, $27.98. It's just your next overhead resistance. There's nothing else looking left that makes any sense on Link. So I think if you're a Chainlink holder, there was some hidden bullish divergence, And you still have a good, from where it's up 6.5% today, you got another 30% upside on Chainlink, and it makes sense. It's not weird. And talking about like Sol and Bitcoin, the Fibonacci retraces, the high to the low on Link, Chainlink has not even seen a 38% retrace yet. Look, the 50% retrace is pretty confluent with that next overhead resistance. The 618, beautiful target. I think $34 makes a lot of sense. Confluent with the how many reversals? 4 different times. February 2021, May 2021, September 2021, November 2021. That's a big target. The 618, 34 bucks. In time, I think you'll get it. Just in time. I'm not sure when, but look how long it took. It was a freaking heart rate monitor, you know, from May 2022 all the way to October 2023. I'm Matt Damon. I've been told that before. I was playing poker in Vegas. It was our last meetup we had there, and one of the dealers said, "You look like Matt Damon." Yes, Matt Damon. I'm like, okay. Tezos is insane. At its highs the day, at its highest highs since February of last year, so 52-week highs, pumping. It was all about that weekly, man. The weekly on the Tezos. Look, dude, it was the M shape. It was the bullish butterfly type 2 return. It was the buyers recapturing a key level from 2019. And they held it, and they held it, and it's gone. And we're talking 170, 185. How did we target this one? Yeah, it's an active trade setup. It's beautiful. Like, this was December 13th. I mean, this is what you get in the Patreon. Like, what do you want, man? Like, I can only give you literally everything you could dream of. Do you see my reasoning behind the trade setup, right? Oh, it's the weekly. Look, your first target is 168, 170 for reasons, right? December 13th. And we're still on the way. We're on the way, man. It could be a smooth ride up to the first target, second target, then your third target, 280. That'll be in a couple months, few months from now, probably. That's what you get in the Patreon. Like, it hand-delivered trade setups where you can manage your risk appropriately and you learn what I'm doing. I'm like constructing an argument in front of you, showing my work, if you will, on this stuff. So I think that's a pretty good deal, right? Like, you don't get ads. You don't get affiliate marketing links shoved down your throat. There are no sponsors where like their stupid logo is like floating around on my stream, right? You don't be subjected to any of that. And so that ensures that my integrity stays intact. You know, I'm not bought and paid for by anyone but the viewing audience. I think that's how it should be, right? And then you get these setups like handed to you on a silver platter. I think that's a freaking win. So second best day to join the Patreon, and that link is pinned above, patreon.com/MitchRayTA. Thank y'all. I have to say, look, dude, you got to do it, man. I got a team of people, okay, that are also, you know, like they rely upon me to talk about this. So I'm doing it, okay? Here's Matic. Speaking of Matic, man, on the way to target number 3. On the way, dude. 130, 129. The date was October 6th, 2023. Elon, oh God. Thank you, dude. I guess we can look at Elon too, put on the list. We're just still looking at like assets that are doing things today, that are doing well. It's a very active Saturday. That's first of why I'm live. But anyway, normally, you know, we will look at these requests that are coming in. But look, man, right? The framework, the type to return, the bullish divergence at the key support, resistance, and we're on the way Still working on number 3, but soon 3 and probably 4 would be 160 up there. I think you'd have a 4th target at this point. Since sentiment has shifted so much since some of these trade setups were posted, that I would think that you would exceed target 3 on many. KNC, you were warned, you were warned, you were warned, you were warned. I'm so tired of warning you. You just got to understand, soon 90 cents. Every day, soon 90 cents, soon 90 cents. Bullish harmonic, springback test, classic accumulation, bottoming base. Soon you will have these prices. It's up 6% today, but let's be real, it's up like 20, 30% since this harmonic was identified. The TA is being respected, man. The structural developments that are by the book in the textbooks are playing out. Okay, I guess we can. Well, let's look at XRP. Let's look at the bigger ones now. All right, XRP looking great. I mean, on the way to target 1 and 2. I think if you ever made target 2, eventually you'll get target 3 at 91 cents. On the way, by working on your highest daily candle close of the year of 2024 for XRP. I can't believe it. Wow. XRP. And then let's look at Sol. Do we even look at Ethereum? I don't think. Do we even look at Bitcoin? Well, I mean, we always looking at Bitcoin right here. But, all right, Sol looking great. Up against kind of a resistance, 130. Where is 130? Want to swing low? It's not really that big of a level. There's like 124 as a candle low close from September 2021. 130 is that swing low from January 2020, like the only one. Yeah. I guess, you know, 143 is the big one. And once that breaks, $200. Gotta love it, man. Yep, Sol, like probably way more upside in time. Yeah, let's go to Bitcoin on the big screen. We didn't on the daily. Yeah, let's look on the daily. It's just hanging out. This is beautiful market conditions for altcoins to flourish. Bitcoin after a huge, I mean, mega pump, just sitting sideways, Paul Wallen up against a key inflection, one of your last inflection points until all-time highs, then price discovery. Who knows where we're going after that? But for now, just that's it. They're letting the alts go berserk. And you just never know when Bitcoin's going to start picking back up again, too. It happens fast. So Ethereum.
$INJ,
real
please.
quick. What's up, Cash Out? Thanks to 15. Yeah, look at INJ. That's, if you're patient, it looks okay. Looks good. You just got to wait. Yeah, Ethereum. It's beautiful. Yesterday, the highest daily candle close in a long time, and today about to go positive. Like, you're looking to go positive on the day. You're gonna go test 35.20 again, 35.80. The last overhead resistance till 4,020 plus. Yep, that's the last one, man. April 2022. We've already exceeded the golden retrace, the 618. Remember, most altcoins aren't even at their 23% retrace yet. It's crazy. DeLove, I don't, you know how I am. I don't know. I don't think. I don't have predictions like that. This stream, yes. I mean, this literally with this community, what I built this for is for risk management. Number one, traditional technical analysis, respecting the TA is respecting the risk management tool. That's what TA is. Respect the risk management. Doesn't sound as good as respect the TA. So that's what we do here. Like, and we understand we don't know where the assets are going next. All we can do is identify the framework for where we can have small losses if they fail and huge upside if they succeed. That's it. What's up, M. Craigs? Thank you for the 20, I guess. Was that total? Sorry, I didn't. We were just going. Yeah, we can look at Jasmine, sure. Sorry, like very active market. Squid Grove, dude. Who cares, bro? Rocky. So, like, if you tip $2, $1.99 super chat, shilling an S coin, doesn't that imply kind of like you're broke? Like, hey man, I'm tipping not even enough for it to trigger TTS. Buy my Fcoin. Like, bro, that must be poverty. If you were killing it on Squid Grow, you'd be tipping like $100. Bro, look at Squid Grow. $100. What? It's doing the opposite, actually, when you tip like that. Okay, we look at the big ones. Well, BNB. It's just up, yeah. All right. Near the resistance. If you break that, 500 target. Okay. Super Squid Grow. Oh my God. He's gonna tip $4. Let's see here. Let us see. The first one was I don't know, Chris, you want to see Floki or Elon? I mean, yeah, they're gone. Like, there's just no point in looking at them, but I guess we can. Yeah, it's like, wow, dude, it's just like here's your Floki coin. All right, congrats. Yeah, it pulled a Shiba Doge. Nice. That's it. Nothing to look at. Just green candles. Beautiful. Radium for Matt W, though.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Teflon Don, thank you so much for the Tangia there. I don't know. What am I going to do? Maybe buy some more S coins. You know what I'm saying, man? Radium Connect. Certainly Radium Connect on the Binance. Oh, you don't want to do Binance US, dude. It's not even a thing anymore. Let's just do, is there a Binance? I love the ticker, though. They stole my ticker, bro. I should sue them. Been here before. Is Radium. Look, man, there's nothing to do now. I don't really care. Like, oh, I guess they're defending 98 cents, so it could run again. But like, wait, what about down here? What about the harmonic framework? This is when you should have given a crap about, you should be requesting Radium down here. And then your life changes forever. 1618886 confluence, type 2 return. It's the Jesus. It was the Jesus setup. But now it's played out. And it's, again, like we're talking about, this is a book creating structure, a new book, a bullish book. The bullish chapter concluded, obviously, a couple times over. And now you're in, I guess, the bullish book still. So I think the only thing you can talk about is like, if it's going to run again, you're going to go test the high from that buying climax in December. If they keep it above 98 cents long enough, which is just another level here, above that, got a 228 target. Above that, you got a 365 target. It's candle high close back from April 2022. That's about it for now. So it was a great start. Now so much, meh, a lot of chop. I don't know how. Good luck trading all that. You got stopped out probably. Jeez. No idea. Yeah, I guess if you were gonna trade it, that would be target 185, whatever, 186, 228, 365. Okay. It was beautiful though. Ray, of course, Ray would bottom out with a ungodly 886 bullish Gartley that had confluence at the PCC, the 886 and 1618, and then it was the type 2. I mean, of course it would look this brilliant. Ray, R-A-Y, baby. Respect the Radium. Okay, so Grail. Grail. Camelot token. Oh my God, I'm gonna vomit. On what? Did you even say where you want it, dude? Pife? What are these exchanges? Grail on KuCoin. Yeah, well, here you go. Just like another one's just like, I mean, it's gone. It's gone. Probably not a good day for, I don't know, a good day to request things, but just not a good day to like take action because you had your chance and now it's the time to, right? When it's Oh my God, I'm blanking out here. Sorry. You had your chance, man. You had ample chances. Again, look at that. I mean, look at the way the price action correlated to these levels before Moon. Like I would have done a trade setup. If you'd have posted, if you'd have asked me to look at Camelot, I've never heard of Grail coin before in my life in February, I'd have posted a trade setup probably with a stop loss somewhere below these levels. Yep, but it's too late. You're asking about an asset that's up 10.25%. You're asking about an asset that is up 50% in like a week. Nothing to do. You're up against a candle high close, 27.34. We'll say the wick 2 to make it a zone. That would have been a profit taking level, certainly. Yes. So you're at a profit taking level. Above that, kind of nothing. I mean, you can talk about that one wick right there. But above that, the candle high close 43.85. What is it? No, when opportunity presents itself, it is far too late to prepare. And that's what's happening. It seems like a lot of people showing up. And this is normal though. We've gone through multiple cycles. The opportunity presented itself when you weren't here, and it was there for months. And now, because the opportunity presented itself, they all started playing out. They're going up obscene numbers, life-changing numbers, and you're just now showing up because of that. So you can't prepare anymore. You missed it. You're not FOMOing like a degen on heroin. Trying to buy some of these now. There's your grail. You had your chance and it's gone. DFYN, G-Dog. George Shiba, please. Why don't you show up to the stream earlier, please? Carlos. Because we did. Not my fault you were late, dude. Good God. Yeah, G-Dog. That's freaking nice. Yeah. That's crazy, man. I mean, like, you say what you will about what it is, but look where it's at. You can manage your risk here pretty easily. Yeah. Certainly. I don't think there's any sort of, like, structure that's, like, you know, it's like it broke out. Like there's like a supply line there. I don't know if there's anything like, oh, it's a pattern, dude. Like you could try to see, there's no like, is it a wedge? Too much white space probably, but yeah, it broke out. Stop loss below 1978. Let this thing run to wherever, kingdom come. How about like right here? Again, when you tip shilling and S-coin, you tip 199. It makes your coin, makes you look poor and makes the scam you're promoting look poor. It's like, hey, now we know certainly because someone else has tipped $1.99 super chat about Squid Grow. Now we know it is certain that that's a poverty coin, that the people that own the coin are poor. I don't want to own the coin where people are poor, right? I want to be like, hey man, where are the Giga Chad rich people at? Not the poverty poor people owning Squid Grow. At least when dude was shilling Jesus coin, he was tipping hundreds, right? I mean, you know, you're not doing a good job promoting your scam, is what I'm saying. Yes, tremendous upside, and it's easy to manage risk here, right? You see how it's been plotted out. Entry, it's up 1.8%. It's good. It's like not even up like much today. Thank God. Oops, wrong tool. It'd be something like this. You gotta give me a sec. Good news is that because there's so much upside, the stop loss can be, look at that, just bread and butter. 1 and 2. There it is. It's so easy. You know, you could have a third target if you really wanted. Like, oh, this time it'll break out. I think you do 1 and 2 and be done. But we're looking at like a candle. There's a wick right there and a candle close. So that'd be your third. 66.3 cents will be your third target, I guess. Yep. Nice one, G-Dog. Go figure. G-Dog's a hype king. If you're in our community and you are astute at identifying things like this, you become a hype king. It's like a title in our community in the Discord. Something like this. Okay, it could be a little looser, a little bit. I don't know if I'd be going much looser than that, but that's how you could size it up. Pretty simple, right? You're buying a spring back test. You're buying buyers defending the 200 moving average. So we'll publish this. And pay attention. It's just an S coin. It's really educational more than anything, okay? I'm not saying, let's go out and buy some S coin called Dfyn. No, but let us all respect why it's a good setup, and we can apply this to anything. It's trend analysis. This is a no trend, okay? A no trend. You're at the bottom of a range and no trend. That's wonderful. No, I mean, chart pattern, I don't think so. I mean, it got that wedge there. I'm not even gonna say it's a technical indicator. It's that spring back test that I really like with the maximum upside. Yeah, you could scale in lower, sure, or you could do nothing, right? You could just look at it and say, I will use this as an opportunity to learn what I should be looking for on every asset, on every market, every day of my life. This is the stuff you're looking for. Yes, you could scale in lower. Absolutely. Yeah, the closer you are to 1978, the closer you are to the lowest risk. Yeah, 1978. So you're a little above that, but okay. Thanks again, G-Dog, man. I've been the chat for G-Dog. He is king. Oh my God, real quick. Wow. Thanks so much to Sean Q, Ryan N, James R for joining the Patreon. Marcos, thank you for joining the Citadel/Patreon for the first time this month. Dow Jones, thank you for the 5 months of continued support, bro. Crypto Shrooms, thank you for the 11 months of continued support in the Patreon. Will, thank you for the 2 months of support. Jim Bot, thank you for the 4 months of continued support. Really appreciate each and every one of you in the past 24 hours, or less than 24 hours, because I was live. Yeah, this is like it all happened, whatever. Thank y'all. I'm in the chat for Dfyn network. That's just a good technical setup, and that's as far as we take it, always. Rocky, you're scam. You're scam, dude. Rocky's poor. The scam he promotes is poor. That's not good marketing. It's not. It's terrible. He's like taking out the SQ. He's putting a space bar between it. I mean, that makes you look so dumb, dude. Like really, really dumb. You doing? Saturday. Okay. Anyway, moving on. INJ for cash out, which, yes, I know it's down 4.6%, but dude, just relax. This is up still like 30% from the entry of the trade setup. It's on. It made its like, oh, INJ's in trouble, bro. It made the highest candle close, the highest price of all time yesterday, 2 days ago. That's those. You just gotta be patient, man. It's just not its day. It's the day of the legacy coins. It's the day of the dogs. It's not an INJ new AI day. It will have its own day. And on those days, Bitcoin Cash and ETC, they're probably not gonna have good days. Just gotta wait. Patience only. He even liked this on Super Chat. Dude, that is pathetic. That is so sad. Like, no shame at all. Ruining my Saturday? Nah. I got a chunk of that BCH. I'm happy. Let's see. INJ, I mean, there's nothing to talk about. If you really want me to cash out, look at it. I can. Or are we just waiting to get paid now? It was simple. Simple is as simple does or something, dude, right? It was like, right? It was the bullish trend, the bullish pattern, and the bullish trend, the reaccumulation, the confirmation of the reaccumulation right here, February 22nd. You see that? It's like, that's time. It's the striking time. It's time to, I see it, Third Valley, and like that local low there.
$4.99 from Raytoshi. Mitch Raytia coin actually actionable for a trade now.
Oh yeah, Raytoshi, is that true, man? Mitch Raytia coin on the Waves platform or something, dude? What a joke. Thank you, dude. Yeah, you go long on Mitch Ray TA by just joining the Patreon, right? We're contributing to the stream. Okay, so that's it. Like, there's nothing to do. We're just waiting. We're waiting. I mean, first target, pretty simple, 49 bucks. Second target, the 1618, 54, 68, 83, 92. Eventually, patience. You can't make money unless you're patient, dude. Thank you. Cash out again. That was the last request. Get wrecked, everybody. Wow, that's it? That's the best y'all can do? Pfft, pathetic. Okay. Just going back to looking. The window shopping is done. You should have been in on these things. Filecoin's still going at its highs. Up 11.9%, and my God, we are getting so close to the third target of the trade setup. Let's freaking go, man. Do you want to see it? Do you need to see it? Because this is what you get. Hello? That's weird. Oh, okay. This is what you get in the Patreon. It's hand delivered to you. It's February 8th. I'm on vacation. And it's like, hey, man, confirmation low at a key inflection point, easy to manage risk. If it fails, whatever. You take on minimal losses. But if it succeeds, oh my God, we're going to get paid so hard. And then oh, what is that? What is it doing? Well, that's never happened before. Okay, that's kind of nice play-by-play, dude. Let's try that again. What is it doing?
And then, just like that,
I don't know, sir.
Well, okay. That's nice. I don't know, man. We'll try it again. Let's open a new tab and try it. Maybe that'll work. No, I think the trading view thing is bugged out right now. It's not playing.